Hello everyone, this is just a quick video how to remove a screen from Lenovo ThinkPad P1. Most ThinkPads have a really well designed chassis and this is one of them. The first step is to remove 7 screws from the bottom, and after cover is lifted you get easy access to the inside. The second thing, and the most important, whatever you do, first disconnect the battery. This is really important. After removing the screws from both hinges, just carefully open the laptop and release the hinges grip. This part is a little bit harder as it looks like, and if you don't have the experience, use a soft tool, maybe something made of plastic or similar. The frame of the screen is glued pretty strong, but with a little patience it's disassembled without damage. Okay, here we have the screen, and that's actually it for now. Please don't forget to check my other videos, there's really a lot of tutorials, and I hope we see us again.